Hold up.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Win. Win, 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 win.
Yeah.
Curve everything else. Win, 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 win.
Win.
These I'm saying.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another video with these beautiful Malaysian curly bundles from Yiroo Hair. We will be working with their 14-inch frontal, 14, 16, and 18-inch bundles. As you saw in the previous video, we did a little styling video. We did a little half up, half down situation. We added some jewels, made it real summery. We did construct this unit using the hot glue gun method just because it is the quickest way to get it done. But today we gonna go ahead and chop and screw this unit to make it into something even cuter. And I know you're wondering, like, girl, how much cuter can the unit be? Don't worry, you'll see, you'll see. So if you would like to see how I chopped and screwed this unit into something even cuter for the summertime, very summertime friendly, just keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to start off by taking our half up, half down situation down. And like I said in the previous video, it is always easier to work on styling curly hair, like deep curl hair. When it is wet, you'll get less shedding, you'll have less tangling. So just go ahead and drench it, you know, not even just like damp, like drench that mug. Get all your tangles out, make sure your hair is nice and detangled. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just using a regular paddle brush, and my little concoction that I usually use on my curly hair is a mixture of water, conditioner, a leave-in curl type situation, just to keep the hair nice, soft, and smooth, and keep the curls popping all day long. You can also put in like another like curl defining cream. Those also helps keep your curls nice and popping. So we're just detangling the hair, and then like I said, we're gonna chop and screw her. So to cut this hair, I did do it on my head instead of like on my mannequin head. I just wanted to make sure that it was going to be the right length on me. It stopped exactly where I wanted it to be. So I went ahead and used just two regular hair ties, and I split the hair in half in the back, and then I'm just going to put the hair ties on it, and then I'll be staring into the phone, mirror, wherever I'm looking, to make sure that it's even on both sides and the length that I want it to be. If you do want this hair to be longer, you want to make sure that you're remembering that it's curly. So you will need to pull it down longer, pull the ties down longer, so the hair will be longer, because it does crunch up because it's a curly texture, especially when it's dry. So I just used my regular cutting shears because I couldn't find my hair shears, and I'm just going to chop it. Chop and screw. Like when I say this is the easiest tutorial ever, the easiest little situation you can do, and it turned out so freaking cute, like honey, so cute. So I'm just taking my hair, taking my time and working through the hair because it is thick, because it is curly. So you're gonna have to take your time and go in a couple times and get it chopped. It did ended up being like kind of uneven, but it's fine. I just grabbed the hair in the back after I cut both sides to make sure that it was pretty much even all the way around. So you can see on one side that the hair looks a little even, and when I take it down, you'll see it in the back where it goes into like a point to the nape of my neck. But what I did to make that even is I just grabbed that section and literally cut it. Like I didn't take the wig off my head or anything. I just grabbed the hair that was uneven from the rest of it and did the same thing and chopped it off. So you're probably looking like, Tangeia, this I don't know where you're going with this, girl. I don't know where you're going. Wait on it. Don't ever doubt the kitchen beautician. You know she always has it under control, okay? So this is our unit, and you can see in the back that it's a little bit longer. That's what I was talking about, that diamond triangular shape that goes to the nape of my neck. I'm just gonna grab that and cut it. I did not do it on screen for whatever reason. I think my camera cut off or somebody called me or whatever. But I just literally grabbed that chunk that's just not as even as the rest of it and cut it. And this is the hair damp, and I was already loving it and playing with different styles. Like I could wear it in the middle part if I really wanted to. I could do a little flip over, have a little side part, tuck it behind the ears, and then we still have our baby hairs from the original frontal piece because nothing really changed with that. So this is the hair damp, but it was so popping when it dried. Girl, this is like my new favorite unit. Absolutely love it. And it's so easy to manage. All you have to do is dampen it with water whenever you're wearing it. Like, for real. Girl, your girl was feeling cute, okay? And I got so many compliments when we showed it on the gram. And this is our finished look. Girl, yes! Okay? You can't tell me anything. Like, I was really feeling this unit. So my next thing is to start getting these shortcuts down with like straight hair, getting these little waves and curls and stuff together. Your girl's a kitchen beautician. So this is our finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this really cute and quick tutorial. Again, these are the Malaysian curly bundles from Yiroo hair that we have chopped and screwed and gave it a whole new life. If you have not already, you definitely need to hit that subscribe button and go ahead and join the Tan Bam fam. We would love to have you. We have plenty of tutorials, try-on hauls, fashion DIYs, vlogs, all of that good stuff. So just go ahead and come join the fam. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate it. You don't even know. And I will see y'all in my next video. Stay true.